Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make blocks go up in Minecraft using an easy method. We'll construct a simple block elevator that can move items or even players upwards with minimal effort. This design is perfect for quickly transporting materials to different levels of your base or for creating fun, dynamic structures. Get ready to learn a fundamental redstone trick that will enhance your building capabilities in the game. To begin, you'll need a few key items. Grab some sticky pistons and regular pistons, as these are the core movers. For the redstone circuit, you'll want redstone dust, a few repeaters, and at least one observer. Don't forget slime blocks. Their ability to stick to other blocks is crucial for this design. Finally, pick a solid, immovable block like obsidian or bedrock for your base. Let's start building. First, place two sticky pistons side by side, facing straight up. On top of each sticky piston, place a slime block. These will be your moving platform. Now, behind the pistons, construct a simple redstone circuit using redstone dust and a repeater to ensure proper timing. Integrate an observer block into your circuit. It will detect when the pistons extend and trigger the next step. Once your mechanism is built, connect a lever or button to your redstone circuit. Give it a flick and watch as your slime blocks and anything on them ascend. You can easily extend this design by adding more piston and slime block layers, creating a much taller elevator. Remember, this method can move many different block types, offering great versatility for your builds. Enjoy your new block elevating power.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.